This next shape that we're going to make is the square pyramid. And here is the completed square pyramid. It has a square base and then 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular sides to it. In order to build this shape, you're going to need your template, which came in the kit, scissors, ruler, tape, and your pen. The first thing is we need to cut the shape out. So we'll cut on all of the solid lines. And when you get to these inside corners, remember, don't overcut. Just cut straight to the corner. And then come in from the other side, cut straight to the corner, and pull the paper out. Once you've completed cutting it out, it's going to look like this. The next step is to score. So scoring, you're going to need your ruler and your pen. To score it, lay your ruler on the dotted line, go a couple times back and forth. As these patterns get more complex, there's more scoring to do, and there's more cutting to do. So go all the way around. Right now I'm working around the base. And then when it's all completed, the scored figure looks like this. Now we're ready to assemble. To assemble the pattern, we'll fold in on all of our score lines. And now you can start to see the shape taking form. Here's the base, and then here's the 4 sides. So let's get our tape, and let's start building the pyramid. So I'm going to show you again with the tabs on the outside. So bring the 2 faces together, where this edge will fall into this groove. Bring them together, and I'll start taping around the base just to get it secured. Around the next side, so I have to lift this tab up to get up and over. Tape at the base, and lift this tab up and over. Tape at the base. And I have one more seam at the base to do. So our sides are pretty much secured at the base. Now let's start working up the sides. So now this piece of tape I made a little bit longer. So if it's longer, just fold over to the other side. Same thing here. Just fold over to the other side. Let's work our way all the way around. These pyramid shapes assemble actually quite easily because all of the sides meet at a common point. Just hold the point together, and you have now completed your square pyramid.